Hi everyone. So I wanted to take a quick break from what I was doing, which is working on swaps, to show you these adorable little boxes I got today. These are the Sending Hearts add-on boxes. This is for Paper Pumpkin subscribers. Now the Paper Pumpkin kit, I haven't gotten it yet. It's supposed to come on Monday or Tuesday. And so I haven't gotten it. And I did see a sneak peek because someone did get theirs and posted it. And the Paper Pumpkin kit for January is full-size cards, and they have a love theme, and I think it makes 8 cards, and they're really pretty, and they don't have snails on them, or maybe they do. I can't remember. But this was like an add-on thing that you could get if you're a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, which I am. And I wanted to show you because the picture just, shows you the box, and it's just sometimes hard to get an idea of how big something really is or small something really is. And my intention for these boxes is I do little treat bags for the kids in Sunday school, and we've been still trying to kind of do that even though we're not having Sunday school. We've been delivering them to their houses so they can kind of follow along online. Anyway, so I have been sometimes putting little treats in there, and sometimes it's like a granola. Actually, I shouldn't say me because I'm not in charge of the treats. Someone else does the treats. I do the craft and someone else does the lesson. Anyway, I wanted to get these boxes to help with the treat situation, and so I wanted to show you how big they are because that matters when you're picking out treats. So they're really kind of on the tiny side. So I wanted to show you that's how you put it together, by the way. Okay, and then my intention for these was little, maybe some chocolate hearts. They're too shallow for Hershey Kisses, which is sometimes a go-to. They're super cute. They look like little baby miniature little Paper Pumpkin boxes. And they're really cute. And my other intention was maybe fruit snacks, which come in this little package, and these are going to not fit, see? They're too puffy. They just have too much, if they didn't have air in them, then I could squish them, but because they have air in them, I can't quite squish them. They would fit if they didn't have some. Maybe I could actually, look at that. If I fold it this way, then it's like a little pillow. Let's see if it closes nicely. It does. Oh, yay. Phew. Sigh of relief because I did buy a box of those. Those are heart-shaped fruit snacks. That would be nice for Valentine's. So I wanted to see if those fit, and they do. Okay, really cute. This box is really adorable. And then my other thought, if those didn't fit, were these. I don't know why. They're Hershey, which they should taste the same as a Hershey Kiss, but for some reason, it says extra creamy. They don't taste the same as a Hershey Kiss, and I actually really enjoy these. And I look for them every, I used this for some adhesive, and now it's all sticky. I look for these every Valentine's Day because the chocolate is really nice. Anyway, so it's Hershey Hearts, and I thought maybe I could fit 2 or 3 of these. So if you line them up like this, 2 down and 1 up, or 2 up and 1 down, you can fit 3 of those in there. And let's see if that closes. It does. Super cute box, you guys. And I'm going to add these to the Valentine little packets that we send out. Really cute. Now you get, I think it was 20. How many are in a kit? I knew this before, but now it doesn't say. So let's see. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 boxes for like $8 or something like that. And here's what you can do. You can put this little label, and I'll put like, Happy Valentine's Day or Love You or something like that. And then these adorable little snails. And look, their shell is heart-shaped. So you get 20 of these. Now I needed, 25. So I had to buy 2 boxes, but still at that price, how cute. And I'm so happy that these fruit snacks go in there because we don't like to give the kids too much chocolate. Okay, so I wanted to show these because it's hard to tell online. Now, if you're not a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, this is not something that you can then just go and add to your cart because you have to be a Paper Pumpkin subscriber to add this to your cart. Now, Paper Pumpkin is a great kit. I'll tell you that. And now, while you can no longer get the Love kit for January, the February kit is beautiful. It's a bouquet of flowers, and it's also full-size cards, and you can see it. I'll put a little picture of it, of the marketing material. It doesn't show you the whole kit. It gives you a sneak peek of kind of an idea. And this one shows you one of the cards. There's more than one card style, but it shows you one, so you get an idea of what it looks like. And it's actually really lovely. So now is a great time to subscribe to Paper Pumpkin. And once you're a subscriber, you can add these cute little boxes to your cart. And this is adorable. And let me tell you something else about Paper Pumpkin. You can drop it anytime. You have to go in and actually unsubscribe. Otherwise, it keeps coming. But you can drop it anytime, and if you do something this month and February, you can get the prepaid subscriptions, and if you get the 3 or 6 or 12 months prepaid, those qualify for Celebration rewards, so that's cool. So anyway, think about Paper Pumpkin. If you love these little boxes and you just want these little boxes because they're so cute, let me know. I can maybe get some more little boxes. But that's something that only subscribers can do, so you'd have to go through a subscriber. Or subscribers. I think you should subscribe, personally. I think the kits are super cute, and as soon as my kit comes on Monday or Tuesday, I will put up a video. You can see past kits. I always put up a video of what was in the kit. You can see those. If you scroll through my videos and put in Paper Pumpkin in my little search, you can see them. And I will put up a picture of next month's Paper Pumpkin on my Facebook group and also my blog, so that you can get an idea of what next month's Paper Pumpkin is. It's really pretty, and it's good for this time of the world. It's like thinking of you type cards. Beautiful, nice to send anybody, especially these days. So I think this could not be cuter, and I cannot tell you how happy I am that both of my snack ideas both fit. And then, of course, you can decorate this with a ribbon, which would then tie them close, even if you pick something that was slightly too big. Like I said, this one, I did get it closed, but you have to kind of do some fancy folding. But once you do it, it does work. Once you fold it, it doesn't want to go in there, but it will. And I will make it. And, of course, I can tie a ribbon with a cute little bow around it to make it stay. I think it'll stay, though, actually, if I fold it nicely. There. Okay, it wants to open, but I did have it folded before. I could even take a little washi tape and stick that down. Got to do it perfectly. But I think I'd rather send the fruit snacks than the Hershey. And then I'll eat the, oh, see, it closed. You just got to make sure you fold it correctly. And if not, find something like this. Or, you know, maybe even a couple of rolls of Smarties. Who knows? You can look for stuff. It is small, but it is darling. And I wanted to show it to you since it just came. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.